Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining the webinar for India Agile Awards 2015. Um, the award is going to happen on 19th of June at Taj Vivanta on MG Road. So the purpose of this webinar is to help you understand what is the purpose of India Agile Awards, what are the evaluation criteria, who are the jury members. We'll explain about the selection process, and we'll also give a brief overview of Agile Week, which we are running across 6 cities in India in the third week of June, and also on Agile Olympiad. So you can see me on the screen. My name is Nitesh. I'm co-founder and CEO of Unicom. We are a global B2B platform for IT industry across 9 countries, and our focus is on emerging technology and processes. We have been running India Agile Week series of events since last 4 years, and we have seen immense participation. And one of the features of our event is that at our event we talk about the agile stories of India. It is more or less for the Indians, by the Indians kind of event, and we have a community of about 17,000 agile enthusiasts who actually help us in pulling it across. So this is the agenda for the webinar. Just to let you introduce what is Unicom and what we do. Uh, so we organize this conference, contests, and Olympiads. We organize CXO showcase meeting for particular companies, and we also organize management training. So basically, we are a B2B platform for IT industry, where we help the buy side and the sales side come together, network with each other. We help companies to reach out to their target customers. Our capability is to get a particular number of people under one roof on any particular day. So with that, we organize conferences across all levels. So we do various size conference, sometimes even 500 delegate, and other areas even at 100. So we organize CXO roundtable meetups for companies, and one of the key features of our events has been contests and Olympiad, which in a very short span of time we have been able to organize contests like Analytics Olympiad for Analytics Professional, Cloud Olympiad for Cloud Professional, Indian Testing League in the software testing category. We organize UX UI Designathon for UX for designers. And for Agile practitioners, we have been doing Agile Olympiad, and it gets tremendous response. All our contests are attended by over 100 companies. We have thousands of participants who take our round one, and we do a series of rounds leading up to the mega finale in Bangalore. Most of the finals of our contests are done in Bangalore. So we are a company where we attend to 25,000. We have attended to 25,000 delegates since the launch of our business, which was 4 years back. We cater to 5,000 plus delegates every year across our 100 plus events, in 25 in 25 different locations. We do conferences in UK and India, where we are very much an established player, and in other countries where we have entered are Australia, South Africa, Middle East, Singapore, and Malaysia. We have done events in America as well, in Chicago. So those have been, we entered those countries last year, and we proudly call ourselves a global B2B platform in customer reach and knowledge share for IT industry. So some of our key areas are technology conferences, process innovation conferences, and geography reach. So India Agile Week falls under our process innovation conferences, where some of the other events which we do are DevOps, on business excellence, on software testing and quality, on IT services management and performance management. And in technology conferences, we do on predictive and real-time analytics, big data, cloud, social mobility, analytics, and Internet of Things. So this has been our focus, and we typically get a corporate team to attend our event, so spanning senior executives to middle management. We also get marketing teams of IT industries. we have great connect with the L&D teams of IT companies, and they help us nominating folks who are knowledge forums. Now we get the buy side and the sale side company together, so uh, thereby providing a unique opportunity and also cost-effective opportunity for companies ranging from startup to large organizations to reach out to their potential customers. The potential customers can be a startup company, it can be the CXOs, or they can be the practitioners. So every company has its own strategy. So we work very closely with them, and we organize exclusive events for them. Um, some of these are our services, and so uh, which we can send a mailer to you, and you can have a look. So thanks everyone. Um, so this is me, Nitesh Naveen. I co-founded this company with Professor Gautam Mitra. He's a managing director, and we have offices in London and in Bangalore. So with that introduction about Unicom, let's proceed with the India Agile Awards. The purpose of India Agile Awards, and doing it for the first time in any Agile platform in India, is to recognize companies and practitioners who have created Agile programs that define the future of product development, services, and support. So we would be recognizing executives of these companies, and we have tied up with KPMG, who will be moderating and auditing this process to ensure that there is complete transparency and no bias in selecting the winners. We have booked Vivanta by Taj, which is on MG Road, right at the corner of Trinity Circle, and the event is going to be held on 19th of June, 2015, which is a Friday. So we have various categories, but the evaluation criteria for all the categories are: how much of measurable impact has happened on the business objectives, the agile methods used, the innovations in tools and techniques that was introduced, how much customer centricity was there in your work, and how involved your team and people were there. So each carries 20 points. So our jury members will be giving marks based on these 5 criteria, and each has a weightage of equal weightage of 20 points. This is the evaluation criteria. So at the moment, we have selected 3 jury members. The selection process will be moderated and audited by KPMG. So we have Director of KPMG Prashant Shantakumaran. We have a renowned Agile coach as well as a certified Scrum trainer, Carlton, who is President at Look Forward Consulting. So he has he'll also be one of the jury. And we have Debashish Banerjee. He's Director of Engineering at Ariba. He has earlier worked as a senior manager in Yahoo. And we are also looking out for 3 other jury members. We want to keep the jury pretty uniform. So one of the jury member will be a certified Scrum coach who is based in India. And we are also looking at we are talking to head of product engineering of a very large technology company. And we are also looking at roping in head of engineering of a very large e-retail company, one of the largest e-retail companies that has been in news recently with various rounds of funding. And we are also in talk with one of the most renowned startups where they are using Agile. So we have a right mix of consultants, Agile coach, CIO of IT services company, head of engineering of IT product company, founder of a startup company. So it's a mix of jury members, so that we are able to select the best. We are able to select the best from the nominations. We are thankful to Scrum Alliance for sponsoring India Agile Awards. So they are one of the supporting partners for this award. The award categories are divided into 2. One is individual category, and the other is corporate category. So let me first introduce you to individual category. So in individual category, as you can see on the screen, we have Agile Coach of the Year, Agile CIO of the Year, Agile Champion of the Year, and Agile Lifetime Achievement, which is an honorary award. So let me talk to you about each. So Agile Coach of the Year will be given to those who are in the role of Agile Coach, and there is a form which one needs to fill, and the jury would be, of course, judging it based on the 5 criteria which I just mentioned. Agile CIO of the Year, it can be CIO or it can be Director Engineering. So in services, it is the CIO. In product, it is Director Engineering. So the roles, but at that level. So we'll be identifying and the best Agile CIO of the year 2015. To identify Agile Champion of the Year, the practitioners has to participate in a contest called Agile Olympiad. So we have been doing this last 3 years. So here it's a multi-round contest where first round is online, and then the second round is a written test, and the final round is on-stage quiz contest where you also do a mini agile project, and thereby we select the winner. So we have been doing it since last 2 years, and it has been very well attended. And we have had winners from companies like Mahindra Comviva and Tesco, Lexmark. Some of these companies in India where the team of two have emerged as the Agile Champion of the Year. And we intend to, honor one of the veteran IT professional in India whose philosophy and whose work uh, corresponds with the Agile Manifesto and the Agile principles, basically. And this will be mostly honorary. This is not, we are not seeking nominations for this. This will be primarily decided by the jury member, and will invite him for his outstanding contribution, and will honor him with lifetime achievement. So these are the 4 individual categories. Let me move on to the corporate categories in the next slide. So in the corporate categories, where corporate can nominate their team, so we have Agile Project of the Year 2015, and we have separate categories like project in IT services, project in IT products, and then a project of the year in non-IT function. We are also awarding, have a category for Agile Tool of the Year 2015. There are a lot of community in Agile which are doing, and they are doing passionate work, and we would like to honor them. So we are seeking nominations from the Agile community as well, and Agile Startup of the Year. So startup who has done reasonably well. So by using via Agile principles. So these are primarily the corporate categories that we have, and so in total we have 4 individual and 7 corporate categories. So 10 categories we have, for which we will be selecting the top 5 in each category. We will be inviting them for the Agile Awards, and the winner would be announced during the award ceremony. So no one will be knowing who will be the winner, and we will be honoring them with a shield as well as with a certificate. And the audience would comprise of the industry leaders, and we have we are working round the clock to ensure that it emerges as one of the most unbiased and transparent award ceremony in Agile. So we need support and contribution from all of you. We are reaching out to all the senior Agile leaders in India, and asking them to advise us, or let others know in the network. So there's a huge promotion plan that is going on at the moment to ensure that we get good nominations from companies ranging from startup to large organizations. So the important dates are that we have an early bird entry which ends by 15th of May, and for which there's a token amount which we are charging. That amount will increase if one has to submit after 15th May. So it will increase by 2,000 rupees in each category, and by 10th of June we will be selecting the applications, and we'll be announcing the winners on 19th of June. So this India Agile Awards is a part of India Agile Week, which we run. It's a kind of a road show which we do across 6 to 7 cities in India, and we cover locations like Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, and Bangalore. And the theme this year is scaling agile, DevOps, UX/UI design, and innovation games. And this is what will be covered at each location. So you can see on 12th and 13th we are covering 5 cities, and Bangalore on 19th. So there are lot of workshops happening, a full day workshop happening, a multi-speaker conference happening. There are a lot of fun and activities like poster competition. You have selfie competition, wealthy competition. So there's this going to be a very enjoyable and learning opportunity for everybody, for the speakers, for the participants, for the contestants, as well as for those who will come for the awards. So we are trying to make it a very fun and light kind of event, but at the same time ensuring that the learning and the knowledge quotient is very high. So I briefly touched upon Agile. So we are doing a All India Online Qualifier test, which is an online test to be held on 25th of May. And the top performers are selected to take part in the semi-finals, followed by the finals on the day of the conference. So this is the agenda of the Agile Olympiad. So at this point, I will unmute all, and in case you have any question, please raise a hand. There's a button where you can raise a hand, and we can take questions from you. So do we have any questions? Also, do feel free to use the chat box to type in a question. In case you have a question you would like to say, I will unmute you, and we can take the question.
Number also. I think so. There was a number. Bala.
Hello, I want to check about how to pay the fees. Hello. Can you please tell us how to pay the fees?
Do we have any questions?
Yeah, I want to know like how we can pay the fees.
Yes, so the fees can be paid via wire transfer or via check, demand draft. there are all the boats are available. So you can get in touch with Rana. So we'll assist you to ensure that you do not have any hassle as far as payment is concerned.
Okay.
So for individual categories, we have kept the fees nominal, which is 2,500 rupees per category. And for the corporates, it is roughly about 7,500 start ticket with benefits of uh, like having more attendees deployed. You can even bring your family members or your team members if you are in the top five. So just to let you know the response that we have received. So far within a week of launch, we have got 57 downloads from different companies. So we have 57 companies who have downloaded the form. It also includes individual categories. So, so by 15th of May, we expect at least 5 to 7 nominations in each category. And by 20th June, we expect this to be in double digits. And from there, we have to narrow down to the winner, which is going to be, a exhaustive task. But that's where, our jury will help us and ensure that we select the best amongst the best. And of course, the nominations would not be just on the basis of last 1 year work. It can be across a few years, so past last few years. But and do make sure that whatever testimonials, whether it's customer testimonials or team testimonials you have, you send it across. If you have any information which can help you to make you the winner, just feel free to attach. So there's a form, and then you can fill up the form, send it to Rana, our concerned person, whose email ID is mentioned in the form, and along with it, send any number of attachments so that it helps our jury member to select the winner. Do we have any questions? When Venkateswaran, you have any? Do you have any questions?
Yeah, nothing specific. So basically, I wanted to understand the context and look from the perspective. Yeah,
Right.
nothing fine.
So Krishna Prasad has a question. He is asking, can the same project be nominated twice for project categories as well as individual categories for coaches? Yes. So the same project can be nominated, Krishna. Uh, if the project has spanned across multiple categories, so feel free to do that, and that's very much possible. And it may happen that in one category that project may not win, but in the other category it may win. It all depends on the competition and how well represented that category is. So if you have a winning project, we suggest you to choose at least couple of projects where it can be fitted. If it is not, if it's very specific, then I would suggest to apply only for that particular category. But there is no bar from our end that one project can be nominated only in one category. Okay, so I am assuming that there are no further questions. So thanks everyone for joining this webinar, and we look forward you to seek your nomination, also be nominated, and see you on 19th of June. If you have any queries, feel free to write to us. Thanks, and have a lovely evening, all of you, and enjoy the summer months that we are having. Thank you.
Thank you.